Hello everybody, in this video I will introduce exponents. A power is an expression that shows a number is multiplied by itself a number of times. Powers are made up of two parts. When I give you that, the 2 is called the base and the 4 is called the exponent. You read it as 2 to the power of 4. When I give you 2 to the power of 4, it means it's 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. In other words, it's 2 times itself 4 times. And then the answer is 16 and not 8. When I give you 5 to the 3, it means 5 times 5 times 5. It is 5 is repeating itself 3 times. And when you multiply that, the answer is 125, not 15. When I give you 1 to the power of 6, it means 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1, which is 1. So 1 to the power of 6 is 1, not 6. Example 1. Write the following in expanded form. Number 1. If I give you 4 to the power of 3, it means 4 times 4 times 4. Number 2. 12 to the power of 4 means 12 times 12 times 12 times 12. Number 3. 2 to the power of 6 is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. It's 2 times itself 6 times. Number 4. 1 to the power of 5 is 1 times 1 times 1 times 1 times 1. Number 5. B to the power of 2 means b times b. And then number 6. 9, x to the power of 2, y to the power of 4. There's no problem there. Don't be scared of the 9. You just let the 9 write with. And then that one in expanded form will be 9 times. X to the 2 means there's 2 x's. X times x. And y to the power of 4 means y times y times y times y. So it is y to the 4 is y times itself 4 times. Example 2. Write these expanded forms as powers. So now number 7, 5 times 5 times 5. The base is 5. And how many 5s are there? 1, 2, 3. Therefore, it's 5 to the 3. The base is 5 and the exponent is how many times it's being multiplied by itself. Number 8. The base is 3 and how many 3's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So number 8 in that expanded form as a power will be 3 to the power of 6. Number 9, the base is 11 and there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them. Therefore, it's 11 to the power of 4. Number 10, the base is 2. And how many 2's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Therefore, number 10 is 2 to the power of 6. Number 11, the base is 17 and there's 2 of them. Therefore, it's 17 to the power of 2. Number 12, don't be scared. A is the base. And how many A's are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, number 12 is A to the power of 4. An exponent with a power of 2, such as 5 to the power of 2, is read as 5 squared. A number raised to the power of 2 is a square number. An exponent with a power of 3, such as 7 to the 3, is read as 7 cubed. Any number raised to the power 3 is a cube number. Now we're going to work with exponents and integers. When I give you inside a bracket -5 squared, it means -5 times -5. And your knowledge with integers, you already know a minus times a minus is a plus. And 5 times 5 is plus 25. The next one, -2 squared means -2 times -2. And then a minus times a minus is a plus, and 2 times 2 is 4. -1 to the power of 4 means -1 times -1 times -1 times -1, which is going to be plus 1. So what can you see? Whenever your exponent is an even number, your answer will be positive. When I give you -2 to the 3, it's the same as -2 times -2 times -2. And then you can say a minus times a minus is a plus times a minus is a minus. And 2 times 2 times 2 is 8. Therefore, -2 in a bracket raised to the power of 3 is -8. -1 to the power of 5 means -1 times -1 times -1 times -1 times -1, which is equal to -1. -3 to the power of 3 means -3 times -3 times -3. And then you can say a minus times a minus is a plus times a minus is a minus. And 3 times 3 is 9 times 3 is 27. Therefore, -3 inside a bracket cubed is equal to -27. What can you see? Whenever there is an uneven exponent, then your answer will be negative. Let's write the following in exponential form. So when I give you -2 times -2 times -2, then the base is -2. And how many -2's are there? 1, 2, 3. So that thing inside a bracket is equal to -2 to the power of 3, or -2 cubed. The next one, -5 times -5. So the base is -5. And how many -5's are there? 1, 2. Therefore, in exponential form is inside a bracket -5 squared. The next one, the base is -1. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Therefore, inside a bracket, it's -1 raised to the power of 4. The next question, say whether the sign of the answer is negative or positive. Now, to work that out, you look at the exponent. 6 is an even number. Therefore, that one will be positive. The next one, -4 raised to the power of 11. 11 is an uneven number. Therefore, the answer will be negative. -5 to the power of 4. 4 is an even number. The answer will be positive. -1 to the power of 5. 5 is an uneven number. Therefore, the answer will be negative. Negative 7 squared. The 2 is an even number. Therefore, the answer will be positive. Negative 9 to the power of 18. 18 is an even number. Therefore, the answer will be positive. Now here we have to say whether the statements are true or false. When I give you negative 3 squared, is the answer negative 9? And the answer is false. Why? This is an even number, therefore the answer will be positive 9. Negative 6 to the power of 3. Is it negative 18? And the answer is false. If you look at the sign, this is an uneven number, therefore the negative is fine, but 6 to the power of 3 is equal to 216, not 18. So this thing's correct answer is negative 216. Negative 7 squared, is that positive 49? The answer is true, because the even number makes that a positive, and 7 squared means 7 times 7, which is 49. Negative 1 to the power of 4. Is it plus 4? The answer is false. And the reason is the negative and the 4 is an even number. So yes, the fact that it's a positive is correct. But 1 to the power of 4 does not mean 1 times 4. It means 1 times 1 times 1 times 1, which is 1. So this answer is plus 1. Negative 5 squared, is it positive 25? The answer is true, because the even number turns this into a positive, and 5 squared is indeed 25, because 5 squared means 5 times 5. Negative 2 cubed, is the answer negative 6? No, false. Why? This is an uneven number. The negative will stay negative. That's correct. But 2 to the 3 is not 6. 2 to the 3 means 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. Therefore, this one's answer is negative 8. 12 squared, is it 24? False. 12 squared does not mean 12 times 2. It means 12 times 12. So the correct answer here is 144. 11 squared, is it 121? The answer true, because 11 times 11 is 121. 8 squared is 64. Is it true? Yes. 8 squared means 8 squared, which is 8 times 8, which is 64. 2 cubed is 8. Is it true? Yes. Why? Because 2 cubed means 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. 1 cubed is 3. False. Because 1 cubed means 1 times 1 times 1, which is 1. Negative 10 to the power of 9 will have a positive answer. False. Why? Because this is an uneven number. The answer will be negative. In the next video, I will deal with the laws of exponents. Click on the video in the left-hand corner to take you straight to the next video.